Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is small mistakes in Vastu Shastra can create big consequences. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. Your journey will be much lighter and easier if you don't carry your past with you. Let's move on to the topic. Small mistakes in Vastu Shastra can create big consequences. When you are planning to construct a house, you should be very careful to follow the each and every rules in Vastu Shastra. There are 10 small mistakes can create a big issues. Let us see the 10 mistakes and what kind of impacts. Point number 1, southwest main door. In general, south facing house and west facing house, people keeping a southwest main door, which will create a lot of trouble for husband and wife relationship, and also health related issue like kidney, liver, neuro related issues. So don't keep a main door at southwest corner. Point number 2, in general south facing house, many people are keeping a portico at southwest corner and also low roof. This also create a similar issues. Point number 3, southwest borewell, underground sump. This also will create similar issues what I mentioned in the point number 1 and 2. Point number 4, north facing house, many people are keeping a internal staircase at northwest corner. So these basically create transaction issues and also legal, and I have seen many houses selling for bank loans. So don't keep a internal staircase at northwest corner. Point number 5, I've seen many people keeping a septic tank inside house. This is related to health related issue. Those kind of houses, people are spending a lot of money for medical expenses. Point number 6, southwest puja room. So southwest puja room, again it will create a husband and wife relationship issues, and also you are putting a money into the fire. So unnecessary expenses may come. Point number 7, generally east facing house, many people keeping a septic tank at southeast corner. Southeast basically related to ladies health issues like hemoglobin issues, nutritious problem, headache, stomach related issues, delay in marriage, delay in baby birth. So these kind of issues in case of southeast septic tank. Point number 8, southeast borewell. Borewell also create a similar problem what I mentioned in the point number 7. Point number 9, northeast staircase. So generally for north facing and east facing house, many people keeping a northeast staircase, which is most dangerous one in Vastu Shastra. Northeast staircase never ever should come in the northeast corner. So this will create issues for especially for men's and education related issues. Some people stopping their education in between because of northeast staircase. Point number 10, many people misunderstood northeast should be extended, which is totally wrong. House should be square or rectangle, it should not extend any corner. In case northeast is extended, of course the northwest cut and the southeast cut, this will create a especially for ladies health related issues. So don't make such a small mistakes, for it will create a big impacts and big issues when you construct. So if you need a consultation, you can feel free to contact me from plot selection, I can able to give you the floor plan, AutoCAD plan, and also I can able to give you the elevation design. So complete solution I can able to provide you as far as Vastu concern. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.